Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So yesterday was a up day, pretty solid up day, a good 1% move, and end of the day we have a potential flag forming. So there's the top and there's the bottom. So there's our flag. We've got the strong move up, consolidation flag, and we're now looking for a move to the upside. So I said yesterday, this 4,500 area, we just get it quickly, get it on your charts. There it is there. So that is a area that we really need to pay attention to. It's a round number. It's an area which we need to pay close attention to, because you can see our price has been flirting with that today. Well, not today, this week, sorry. Next thing is we've got a slight separation of the oscillators. Could be a bit of a cross coming here. It's still crossing far apart, not far apart, but apart. So it could indicate that there is another move to the upside. We've got a pretty clear hold above the 155 EMA, and we've also got the crossover on the 8 hours. So this is all leaning towards a potential trend reversal. So the trend has been down. You can see pretty much from January we've been in a downward trend, and this is looking like a potential trend reversal. What we're looking for is a weekly close above 4,500. So last week was a green bar. We're looking for another green bar, which is the continuation bar, and that's what the bulls are looking for. So kind of doesn't make sense when you look at the economy and you look at what's happening around the world today, but it is what it is, and a lot of it is based on retail traders as well, who are really not interested in listening to the economy and things like that. They're only really interested in making money, and a lot of those people lost jobs or have COVID has impacted them, and they've basically picked up the charts and taught themselves how to trade. So there's a lot of new traders in the market, and there's a lot of people that are really disciplined and focused. So you often, if any of you are browsing through Reddit, you'll see a lot of the Reddit groups where they will buy stocks and hold, and they're not really interested in selling, and there's a large contingency of them are not interested in shorting stocks. So that also plays a big role to the influence in the S&P 500. Anyway, 3 hour, you can see we do have the crossover confirmed this week. We are hovering on the 33. Moving averages are pointing fairly strong to the upside. Everything is pointing to a move to the upside. So there's no reason for me to be looking for shorts until we start dropping below 44. We start dropping below that and start retesting that, then I'd be looking for a bigger move down to the bottom of the bigger range. But at the moment, this to me is looking like a breakout that is brewing, and it's above 4,500. You can see the importance of 4,500, and we're looking to stay above there today. So could be one-way traffic again today, to be honest. Oscillators on the hour are indicating we're top of range, which does make sense. We're in this little consolidation range, so you'd look for some kind of a pullback onto structure, and I'm going to give you two levels. I'm using a 4,500 as well, but let's just do that. So it's all going to be around 4,500, so it's between 45.06 and 44.84. So you're looking for a pullback into that area for pretty much hopefully a explosive break above that. Alternatively, what you're doing is you're looking for sorry, I just need to get rid of that. Let's get that level in there, because that was the previous high there. So you're looking for a clear break above 45.24 and then a retest. So you're looking for price to come back on that level, and that would be your buying opportunity. And again, 15 minute is the way to go. Yesterday's 15 minutes, I mean, I was watching this area here yesterday, and I just closed the charts. As soon as I started seeing this, ignored it, closed it, walked away. And hindsight being perfect science, it's gone with the gut. The move was up. There was a bit of a pullback, a trend line break, lots of things going on. But Bob Wire, like that, always gives me an idea that we are confused. Even on this pullback, you see you get that nice little inside bar, also a bit of a pin bar, then you go straight into Bob Wire again. And then it seems like as they come back from lunch, the bulls buy. Anyway, That's kind of what's going on at the moment. So yeah, today 45.24. If we're going to get above it and hold it, it's well worth an opportunity to the long side, and then you're looking for a stop below the low today. If we get a pullback down to this area here, 45.06, well worth buying, but then you need to be, your stop is below the low of yesterday. And if you get a deeper pullback, same scenario, 44.85, then you're still looking for an opportunity to buy off there with a stop down here. But look at your oscillators as well. They are starting to move to the downside. So what's the European Open? The DAX looks very meek and mild at the moment. So I'm not so sure that Europe is going to move us. I think we're going to have to wait for the US. But it could. Anyway, moral of the story at the moment is if we get a weekly close above 4,500, you definitely have more upside coming. And the upside is pretty much aiming for this area here at this moment in time. So that's 45.77. We get through there, then obviously 4600, then 4650, then 4700 again, and then we start heading to all-time highs again. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.